Welcome to RidgeLife. I'm Tim, and today on RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos, I've got a problem. Actually, I've got several problems. I've got dead batteries, but I've got the product to fix it. That is the VTOMAN V10 Pro. We're gonna boost, charge, and start our vehicles. The VTOMAN V10 Pro 4500 amp jump starter is capable of jump starting one of these big 6.7 liter diesel engines behind me. Actually, it can go up to a 10 liter diesel. Now, I don't have any dead batteries in my V10 today, but I do have a couple diesel engines and gasoline engines we're gonna charge and jump start today. Let's see if it works. I've got 3 vehicles behind me, all with dead batteries. Starting off on my left, I've got a 500cc Arctic Cat 4-wheeler, dead battery. Looking there in the middle, I've got a 750cc Hustler zero-turn mower, dead battery. And finally, I've got a Kubota RTV X1140, 1140cc diesel engine, dead battery. Can we start it? I think we can. But first, let's see what's in the box. Opening the box, we can see we've got a nice carrying case. Really nice carrying case for the VTOMAN V10 Pro. Open it up. Again, you'll store this in your car, your truck, your side-by-side, your ATV for instant access to jumpstart anytime you need it. Opening it up, boom. Very nicely packaged inside. Of course, we have the user's manual for the V10 Pro jump starter. We have the V10 Pro itself. And then we have our accessory cables inside. And inside the cables, we've got an assortment. Starting off, you've got a USB-A to USB-C adapter cable. You also got a USB-C to USB-C. You'll see what we're going to use those for here in just a minute. Then, of course, we've got the smart charging cable. Red for positive, black for negative, blue connector on the end, and this thing is smart, guys. Correct reverse indication, boost button right here on the adapter cable. And of course, now we've got the unit itself. Look how streamlined it is. Very light for 4,500 amp capacity. I believe it's 800 amp continuous running, 4,500 amp peak. We'll get into all the specifications later. I know you want to see it in use, so let's see how it works. Controls are very simple. We got a power button right here on the top, and right below it are LED indicators indicating how much it's charged. I push the button right there, I can see this thing is fully charged. You can't see, it's really bright right now, but there's 4 LEDs showing how charged it is. If I was charging it and it was charging, you'd see the little lights flashing as it goes up. Of course, on this side, we got a little picture of a car. Pop that open, and that's where your smart charging cable, it is blue, right? The connector is blue, and this connector is blue. You pop that sucker right in there, and that is all there is to it as far as getting ready to charge, boost your car, okay? Very simple there. On the other end, we've got a USB-C. Now, you want to charge this thing up, you can plug your USB-C to USB-A in there, plug it into a USB-A powering device, and you will charge up your VTOMAN V10 Pro. You've also got USB-C to USB-C. Put it in there also. Charge up from USB-C, quick charging, that lightning stuff, right? Lightning charger, very quick. And it is an in-out, and it is actually 5 volt, 3 amp, 15 watt, okay? I'll get into all the specs here in just a little bit. Now, on the other end, I mean, in the middle there on that end, you've got 2 USB-A ports. You see one's blue and one's white. Why is that, Tim? One is a fast charging port. Plug your phone in there, USB-A, fast charging port. The other one's a regular USB-A port. We've got an LED light on there. We can push the power button down, hold it down, do all that stuff. Different lighting off, SOS, you can get it to strobe, you can get, of course, nice light to work around the car at night whenever your battery's dead and you got to charge it up. That is very cool. On this side, we have it's actually an output, 15 volt, 10 amp output. You can charge things like in your car power and everything. That is very nice. Guys, that is it. That is really very simple. Let's see how to use it. So let's check the Arctic Cat first. Let's get the key in here, turn it on, and put it on the arm. Let's see if I can start it. Oh. Ah, it's not gonna start. It's like saying it's trying to. Yeah, okay, it's trying to. Okay, so what I gotta do is plug in the blue connector straight in. It's positive, negative, it's keyed. You can't mess this up, guys. We're gonna take off the seat here. See if I can figure out how to get this seat back off. There we are, got the seat off. I've got the battery right here. I'm gonna put the red on the red first. Boom. Put the black on the black. Boom. Okay, I'm going to, okay, first thing I notice, I've got the correct connections on the plug right here. A little green LED comes on the smart plug saying correct. If it was backwards, the reverse LED would be on, okay? And there's all kinds of other indications and faults, so I gotta make sure I turn on the unit. Okay, I turned on the unit. Okay, and it tells me, let's see if we're ready. We are ready. I'm gonna hit boost. Hold the boost down. Okay, and within 30 seconds, I want to try to start it. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. While it's running, you can hear it's ready to go. Disconnect the reverse order, black, red. One down. Again, this was 500cc gasoline engine. One down. Now let's go over to the 750cc gasoline Hustler zero-turn mower. Now let's check the battery on the mower. Come on. Turn over. Turn over, it's trying to. Now. All right, now. Battery is not going to turn over, just does that click, click, click thing. All right, so let's use the charger. Step off. Pull the seat back. I've already got it plugged in. Got it plugged in. Again, we're going to go plus to plus, minus to minus, that's the black, red to red, black to black, okay? And again, I got the green light. Now, green solid means your connection is good and the battery is good. Green flashing means your battery is low, and this one is green flashing. If I had the reverse red, I would have to swap my plugs. Okay, so we are good. The power is on. Yep, we're all good. Now let's see if it'll start, okay? You totally heard the difference in that, didn't you? That is crazy. It was like click before. It almost wasn't started. It was saying the battery was just barely low. Woo, guys. Now let's move on over to the diesel engine. I left the lights on this one to completely kill the battery. You know, my mower was already dead. The four-wheeler, I left the lights on overnight too to kill that battery. That's how I could test it for you today. The Kubota, I did the same thing, left the lights on. Again, this is Kubota's RTV X1140, 1140cc diesel engine. Big F250, that trimmer behind me is a 6.7 liter diesel. Now the V10 Pro can start up to 11 liter truck. Isn't that crazy? That big F250 behind me has two giant batteries. Now I didn't want to drain my brand new truck's batteries, so that's why I'm testing on my side-by-side, the mower and the four-wheeler. Okay, so the side-by-side here, it is dead. Turning the key over, it is dead. Battery lights lit up. We're gonna see if we can start it. Battery on the side-by-side is right under this panel right here. Again, I've got red on the left. I've got black on the right. And I've got let me turn the power back on. All right. And I've got a green flashing. Oh yeah, it's definitely, this one's definitely dead. So let's hit the boost button and let's see if I can start it. Let me just set this right there. All right, come over here. See if I can start this bad boy. Not a problem. Not a problem with the diesel. Woo-hoo-hoo. Way to go, VTOMAN V10. It was hot out there in the sun, and it's hot in here in my garage, but I wanted to be able to show you the LEDs, okay? So you look right there, you can see all four of those LEDs are lit blue, right? Okay. And if I push the boost button, you can see the green light right there on the correct terminals. Of course, it's not connected right now, so it's obviously correct. If it was reversed, that would be over there on the reverse. Bad battery, it would be flashing. It's not flashing right now, it's not a bad battery. Let's turn this light on. I'll hold the, there we go, there's one. There's our strobe, and there's SOS, people, SOS. Very cool. Hopefully, you got to see that up close and personal. Now that you've seen the VTOMAN V10 Pro in use, let's go inside. We can see exactly what kind of specifications this thing has and some of its other features. The VTOMAN Pro 10 4500 amp peak 800 amp continuous jump starts flat batteries. Guys, it's so powerful. It is so pro. We'll do all gas engines out there, even up to 10-liter diesel engines. It is so powerful. It has definite startup performance. It will start over 70 times a gas engine. 70 times, and it can stand in your car for 24 months on standby and still be effective. You can do a lawnmower, a motorcycle, a car, SUV, commercial vehicle, pickup truck, even a big old 10-liter semi truck. It also works in extreme weather, down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, all the way up to 140 F. It has some improved intelligent safety technology to give you overcharge indication, overcurrent, short circuit, reverse polarity, high temperature, spark proof, guys. It's over voltage, overload, low temperature, and reverse charge protected. Not only is it a jump starter, it is also a battery pack, charging devices like phones 12 times, iPads 6 times, Kindles 20 times, watches 90 times, pods 65 times through the Type-C input-output, USB-A, also the USB-A quick charge, and also a 15-volt DC out. Let's not forget that 400 lumen LED flashlight with the multiple modes. You've got flashlight mode, strobe mode, and SOS in case you have an emergency. Again, operation is so easy. Insert the smart plug. Make sure you got that green light after connecting. Start your vehicle. If you have a flashing green light, hit that boost button and start your vehicle within 30 seconds. Works almost every time. You can charge your VTOMAN V10 Pro in about 5 hours through an AC output, or about the same time with your car charger. You want to start mowing your lawn in the spring and your mower's dead, or you're stuck in the rain, sleet, or snow? Make sure you got a VTOMAN V10 Pro standing by to keep you ready. What do y'all think about this V10 Pro from VTOMAN? I think it's up for the task. Perfect, slimline, keep this in your car. Again, keep it on the side-by-side, keep it in the camper, the RV, anywhere you're going on the go that you got a battery-operated vehicle that may need a charge, may need light. What if you're camping and you just need a portable battery bank? That's right, this was a portable battery bank. Keep your laptop, your phones, all your emergency electronic devices charged up. If you're interested in get one of these for yourself, I'll leave a link down in the description. Again, it's a VTOMAN V10 Pro. And again, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. Subscribing is free. Hit that notification bell to be notified anytime a new video comes out on RidgeLife, RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos, RidgeLife Ramblings, and RidgeLife Lessons, Lessons from the Ridge. So guys, until next time, hope everyone has a blessed day, and go RidgeLife.